Don't push me, you man! Move away! Move! Open your mouth, move away! Get away, man! Move my house! Move! Move away! Move away! No!
You got that record? Sprayed me for no reason, man.
Idiots. Can't do that, man. That's wrong to do. You just can't push the people away. They're punching the people. What kind of police officer is that? Look what's he doing. What is he doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Officer! What are you doing? 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 You can't do that, man. What are you doing? What are you doing that for? What's the police doing that for?
They need to get in there, mate. Let him in. These idiots.
Yeah, but they pushed them first.
Just, mate, it doesn't work like that. Look, they need to get in. You guys are stopping them. I'm sorry. You need to let them do the job. For fuck's sake. I'm sorry, mate.
Denial.
Mate, move away now! Move! Get away! That way! Yeah, no, that's I want you away from the scene.
Okay.
Move!
That's my house.
Move! Get back!
That's my house as well. That's my house. Yeah. Why is that? Why are they doing that for? Because I'm recording. What was that about? I'm just getting checked out. What the hell is all that about, buddy? You've seen that? Was that right? Was that right, buddy? Was that right? I was just standing by you. Was I just standing by you, buddy?
You was.
Sorry?
You was, yeah. You was.
Was I causing any harm? You just pushed me for nothing. Did you see that, buddy?
I didn't say it, man.
You just came and pushed me for nothing. That's why they have trouble.
Disappear now!
You're rushing somebody right now, mate. Very rushing somebody.
What the hell? They just tell the police officer just told us to move. And next thing he goes, why are we not causing any harm? And they start pushing him, punching him.
This is why agents are fucked up.
Who pushed you? The police officer did not. It's not. It's a police officer. It's agent. No.
But something's obviously happened.
No, nothing happened here, buddy.
I was saying the fire over there, they've let them in, they've